Well, unfortunately, you do get what you pay for most of the time. And these $35 mud flaps that I got off of Amazon for this Maverick are no exception. I noticed about a month or so ago, this back left one cracked right here. I'm not quite sure how this happened, if I ran over a rock and it kicked it into it and broke it. But I mean, it still kind of functions, but I'm just gonna remove it because I bought a better set anyways from a company called ROKBLOKZ. And those haven't arrived yet, but when they do, these are gonna be removed for that to make it a bit easier. But I'm just gonna go ahead and remove them now because there's no real reason for them to be on the truck anymore. So I'm gonna take them off. All right, so I finally got the new ones in the mail. These seem to be much better quality. They got some flex to them, probably gonna last a lot longer than the cheapo Amazon ones I had on this vehicle. So this is the hardware for the rears, that's the hardware for the fronts, and because these are sold as a set, I'm not going to split this video up. I'm just going to do it all as one shot. So we're just going to go ahead and install it. It's actually really simple. We'll do the rears first and see how those turn out. These bolts are 7mm, so I'm just going to use my right angle attachment here for my drill. Pull those out. I have one pop tab here. That's easy. So we can see there's two threaded nut plates here on the other side. We're going to leave those there, but we do need one at the top. And in order to do that, this is all you do. Stick that up in place just like that. So according to the instructions, you're given seemingly more washers than you need, which isn't true because you do need them all. The two bottom ones, you're going to have a washer on one side of the flap and on the other side of the flap with the screw going through it. The top washer is just the one underneath the screw at the top. So keep that in mind. The instructions tell us to do the center one first. I'm going to do it just like this. You can see the center. Washer on the other side. And then we're going to kind of throw this in place. There we go. So now just to repeat for the bottom. There we go. Now for the last one. Up here at the top. I'm just going to start this one. So I'm just going to throw these down just a little bit more. They give you enough room on these holes to move this thing around. So all I'm gonna do is go get a small level. Make sure it's level at the bottom. And here's a level. That's good enough for me. I'll go ahead and tighten them all down. Still level. Cool. Happy with that. Now just to do the front on camera and go from there. So here we are at the front, and all we're going to do is just remove the other hardware. And for the new hardware, it's pretty much the same story, except they provide you with new pop tabs for the bottom down here. So I'm just going to organize. We're going to carefully pull the liner out. These are what I had on the old or the aftermarket liners. We don't need these. So we'll just pull those out. They're too big anyways. But now, just put the red tabs on. Just like so. Pop that back on. Just gonna move this one just to line it up. Now these are a little different than the rear ones because you don't need to sandwich two washers. It's just the one, just like this. Thing we have left to do, just pull this tab out, just like that. And now we can throw this hardware on. Finally, the last pop tab. And that's it. Now just to do the other side, and I'll meet you guys at the end of the video. So all the mud flaps are on, came out pretty good. You can see these things are a lot more flexible than the other ones were. Definitely happy with that. Was it worth 150 bucks for both sets? Yeah, I guess so. I mean, you get what you pay for. Those Amazon ones weren't worth anything, and I've got to annotate the video now that they barely lasted a year. So I would definitely recommend these if you can afford them, but if not, you know, $35 to replace those once a year. I guess it depends on what your budget is, but I would definitely recommend these more. Anyway, stay tuned for more videos.